The deadline is tomorrow, and your report still isn't on my desk.
The numbers changed again 10 minutes ago.
That's not funny anymore.
I'm not joking, and that's the problem.
We agreed nothing would change after Monday.
Someone updated the source file without telling us.
Are you saying the data is compromised?
I'm saying the version you sent to the client is already outdated.
My phone is going to ring any second.
Let it ring, because panic won't fix this.
You always stay calm when everything is on fire.
Calm is the only thing that lets me see who lit the match.
Are you implying someone sabotaged this?
I'm implying this wasn't an accident.
That's a serious accusation.
So, is presenting false numbers to the board.
Wait, what board?
This report isn't just for the client anymore.
Nobody told me about a board review.
Because the email was sent last night, and not everyone was included.
You think they left me out on purpose?
I think someone wanted control of the narrative.
This keeps getting worse.
No, this is where it finally gets clear.
Clear how?
The changes only benefit one department.
Finance.
Exactly.
They've been pushing for cuts for months.
Exactly. And this data suddenly supports their argument.
If this goes through, half the team is gone.
Which is why accuracy suddenly matters more than speed.
I need proof before I walk into that meeting.
Then sit down and look at this.
These timestamps don't match.
They were edited after approval.
Someone forged the update.
Someone hoped no one would notice.
I feel sick.
Focus, because we have one move left.
What move?
We present the corrected data ourselves.
That will start a war.
Let them try after we show the audit trail.
They'll blame us for the delay.
I prepared for the possibility.
You planned this already.
I needed to be sure before pulling you in.
You never told me.
Neither is sacrificing a team to bad numbers.
That's not fair.
That means you care.
My hands are shaking.
Then we fall together instead of quietly.
What if we're wrong?
Then we walk in together?
The meeting starts in 5 minutes.
It might start a better one.
If this ends my career.
And yet you're still standing here.
You're impossible to work with.
Then let's give them the truth before they rewrite it again.
Because I trust you more than the system.
Keep your voice steady.
The door is opening.
We don't back down.
No matter what happens.
The important days rarely warn you.
I never expected today to turn into this.
Always?
Ready.
Let them, because silence would look worse.
Everyone is looking at us.
That means they already sense something is wrong.
I can feel the tension in the room.
That's the moment when facts start to matter.
The director just stopped smiling.
Then give them the version they weren't expecting.
They're asking for the summary.
It's the one that tells the truth.
This slide isn't the one they approved.
Ignore it, and keep going.
Someone just whispered my name.
Let them, because interruptions expose fear.
Finance is interrupting.
Then explain the manipulation.
They're questioning the delay.
Slow down, and let the room breathe.
I can hear my own voice shaking.
Watch their faces carefully.
I just showed the timestamps.
That means messages are being sent.
They're checking their phones.
Sent. Truth always does at first.
This is spiraling fast.
And now the trap closes.
They're asking who authorized the changes.
Because the answer is uncomfortable.
Nobody is answering.
Then I'll answer calmly.
The director is asking you directly.
Or it could end honestly.
This could end badly.
Yes, and I can show exactly when.
You're saying the data was altered after approval.
Quiet means they're listening.
The room just went quiet.
That's not confidence, that's defense.
Someone just stood up.
Breaks happen when control slips.
They're calling for a break.
No, we keep going while we can.
Should we stop?
That's earlier than I expected.
Security just opened the door.
Because decisions are about to be made.
This doesn't feel like a meeting anymore.
With both of us.
The director wants a private word.
Walk anyway.
My legs feel weak.
Good, now there's no audience.
They closed the door behind us.
Audience. Or where they finally get heard.
This is where people disappear quietly.
Because procedure was already broken.
They're asking why we didn't follow procedure.
They can't.
They're not denying it.
Time won't change the trail.
They want time to review everything.
That sounds like fear wrapped in formality.
They're asking us to leave the building for now.
Not officially.
Are we suspended?
It means they need us uncertain.
That doesn't make me feel better.
Don't answer yet.
My phone is vibrating again.
Let it ring.
It's someone from finance.
Jobs only stay simple when you look away.
I never imagined my job could turn into this.
Then we release the audit.
What if they try to blame us publicly?
3 copies.
Publicly. You kept a copy.
I planned for resistance.
You really planned for everything.
Resistance, because now you know what's at stake.
The corridor feels longer than before.
Guilt does that.
People are avoiding eye contact.
And the building feels different already.
We just stepped outside.
For now.
Are we safe?
Next, they decide whether to fight or fold.
What happens next?
Then this becomes much bigger.
And if they fight?
Bigger than this company.
Bigger how?
That means you're still human.
I'm scared.
Neither do I.
I don't regret going in with you.
Especially then?
Even if everything changes after today.
Good, because some doors should stay shut.
The door behind us just closed.
It always is.
So, this is just the beginning.